Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last tutorial we learned how to customize the Bootstrap using the SCSS in Laravel. In this tutorial I show you how to load the fonts into the SCSS and using the Bootstrap. I created this UI using the Bootstrap and a Roboto font currently loaded into the SCSS file. Now I going to add new fonts which is download from here, circular, standard, medium and bold. You can download the full pack from here. I already downloaded and add circular, standard, bold and medium here into the fonts directory into the resource. Now I need to load these all fonts in my application using the SCSS. It's very easy. I created one fonts.scss file and created one mixin for the font face and call this mixin from here using the include. This function get the argument and prepare the font face based on the argument, name, path of the font, weight, style and extensions of the fonts. You can see here I specified name, circular, standard and specify the font path here. This font is same circular, standard and circular, standard, but its weight is different. You can see here medium and bold, and I specify different weight in the both. Style is normal and specify all the extensions into the argument. Now it's get the all extension here and used in this each and prepare the format extension and src of the url and that value specify here and prepare the font face into the css and convert into the css and load the font into the css. We can specify here bold as well, but it's not a best practice because the font is the same, but its file is different based on his weight. So we should use weight into the css instead of the specific name, and that's why I specify same name into the both the font. Now I need to import this file and include this file into the variable scss because the variable name declare here. So let me import this font css file. Also we can declare this file into the app.scss file. So let me specify here. Now I need to give this circular, standard font name into the variable and replace it with the roboto. And now I need to compile these assets again using the npm run command. So let me fire npm run dev. This command compile all the assets again and publish the font into the public directory. See here all the fonts are compiled and generate into the public directory. Let me show you. The Laravel mix all the assets published into the public directory which is used into this css and scss. See here all the assets of the font is published into the public directory, and now using these fonts from the public directory, let me open app.scss and see here font included here into the app.css file. Now I start server again using php artisan serve command, and let me open this again, and you can see here now Roboto is loaded as the primary font of the Bootstrap. So you can easily load any of the font using this mixin. Now if you want to load more font, then you no need to do anything, just you need to write this line here and specify the font name and font path, and use that name in your any of the css. Right now the circular standard is used into the primary font, and you can see here circular standard is loaded here. One more thing is need to specify here the secondary font. Let me show you into the Bootstrap. Lots of font given as a option. So if primary font is not found, if any case, that time this secondary font loaded here. So we need to specify sans serif and load this sans serif if circular standard is not found. So you can easily load font using this mixin. This source code link given into the video description. If you needed, you can download it from there. Thank you for watching a video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like and share a video.